Let's see how we did on the reducing of fractions, simplification of fractions. We start off with the fraction of 27 over 44, and our first question that we ask ourselves is what number will divide into both top and bottom evenly. Our first guess would be an even number because the denominator ends in an even digit, but since the numerator does not, we cannot divide by 2. Then we look to see if there's 5s, which there is not, so we cannot divide by 5, or a 0, which means that we cannot divide by 10. We could try and see if numbers are divisible by 3 by any number of methods, but remember, a number which is divisible by 3 means that if we add the digits, the sum of the digits must be divisible by 3. And 4 and 4 is 8, so that is not divisible by 3, no matter what we can do on the top. So far I'm at a loss to figure out what number that we can divide into top and bottom evenly that will help us reduce this or simplify our fraction. One way that we can look at this, a different way, is to take 27 and to break it up into 3 times 9 and 9 into 3 times 3. So now we have all the prime factors for 27. In a similar way, 44 is 4 times 11. 11 is prime, but 4 is 2 times 2. And our fraction 27 over 44 can be written in prime factored form as 3 times 3 times 3 divided by 2 times 2 times 11. Now, are there any representative fractions in the same that are the top and the bottom? And the answer is no. So we cannot cancel 3's without having 3's below, and we cannot cancel 2's on the bottom without having any 2's on the top. So this thing is just the way it will be, and not all numbers are reducible. And 27 over 44 is a fraction which is not reducible, so answer C would be the answer to question 1. Hopefully we'll have a little bit better luck with question 2, and that is 52 over 64. And I notice immediately that both of these are even digits. And as even digits, we can divide top and bottom by 2. Well, 2 into 50 is 25, so 2 into 52 would be 26. 2 into 64 goes easily 32 times. Now, once again, we have even digits at the end, so let's divide top and bottom by 2. And as a result, we get 13 on the top and 16 on the bottom. Now, 13 is a prime number, so if we hope to do anything with it, it can only be divided by 13, but 16 cannot. So we have now reduced this fraction into its lowest terms, and the answer to this problem would be A, and 52 over 64 can be simplified or reduced into 13/16.